Building a course with e-units at Onyxon.ca. As an instructor, you can use the e-unit browser to browse, search for, preview, and select e-units for a course that you can use with your learners at Onyxon.ca. Here are the steps. Log in to the Onyxon.ca portal. Click the large Browse e-units button or the e-units menu link at the top of the page. The next step is to select the e-units you would like in your course. We can see that currently there are 83 units to choose from. Before we select the e-units you would like in your course, let's look at two ways to do it. If you know that you want this e-unit in your course, for example, you would click on the Pin button. But if you want more information before you decide whether this e-unit is appropriate for your students, click on the thumbnail image. When I click on the thumbnail image, we will see more information about this e-unit so we can decide if we want it in our course. If we decide we do want this in our course, we can pin it to our list directly from here. This button is currently under development and will be ready soon. To return to the e-units page, I could click on this Back to e-units button, or I could click on the e-units button here. I'm now going to select the Pin button on a number of e-units to add them to the course. I'm going to do this randomly for demonstration purposes, but when you do it for real, you can be guided by the CLB and theme filters and the search box. I've now selected 8 e-units. To check them, I can scroll up and down the list. If I am not sure about my e-unit selections, I could click on the Clear Selections button here. But I am happy with my selections, so I won't do that now. I'm now ready to click on the Request Course button to finalize my course request. The list of selected e-units will appear in the course here. If I want, I can use the crosshairs to drag e-units into a different order. Now it's time to fill out the form. I'll enter the full name of my course here. In the organization area, type the name of your school board. In the site name area, type the name of the site you teach at. I'll type in the downtown location. To finish filling in the form, use the calendars to choose the course start date and end date. Click on the Send Request button. A page will appear telling you that your course request has been received and will be reviewed by the administrative team.